we have studied, we have interviewed the accused person, and we got to know that the drugs which were found in the possession of the jail guard was supposed to supply to one of the under trial prisoner, Vikat Bhagat. So we studied we have done the scientific investigation, and we found that Vikat Bhagat was in touch with one person from Goemkarponn, and further we confirmed from the accused person also, and then through surveillance we got to know that this Yogesh Pagi is involved in this case. So yesterday night we picked him up from Kankona, and then we arrested in this crime. He has confessed the crime, and we already have enough evidence to connect this Pagi to this crime. So this is the second level of chain of investigation. Usually, second level is very difficult to reach. Only because of good work for the team of Colvale police station, it was done successfully.
इथून आणि कोण इन्व्हॉल्व असा तुमची दिसते?
Yeah, now we have to interrogate Mr. Pagi, who have arrested yesterday, and from there we will go for the next level of the chain. We try our best.
आणि असे म्हणतात की जेलीन मोठ्या प्रमाणात ड्रग्स व्यवहार होतात, याचेर तुम्ही कितपत कंट्रोल दवरू शकता?
Now we are gone to second level, and then we will try to get the third level so that we can get a major success in this case.
इथून आरोपी आणि जे कोण इथून अधिकारी वर्ग आहेत त्यांचे नेक्सस होता कितपत खरे असू शकतात?
Now jail guard is involved in this crime. Cocaine is found with him. You have answered. I think the question is answered to you.
Thank you.